Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Oh my goodness, look at this. One of my son broke the wall clock. Oh no. Oh goodness, the glass is broken. So how are we gonna do this then? And he liked this very much, so I should have taken care of it. So you asked me to fix it. Can you imagine? Oh goodness. Anyway, I will try. Okay, I got very quick solution. Look at this. So I put on the dashboard and it's just a joke, okay? So this, I fixed it for him, extremely urgent. So I just draw this 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So there you are, it's all fixed. Look, okay, so that is a quick fix. I hope you will like it, but for serious terms, so I will be repairing this. I have to cut this glass all around and have to put it into a different sort of background. I think I will make some sort of nice background for it, and we have to get rid of all the glass now. I can't repair this. So this was a very quick fix. Okay, I hope you like it, and I hope you see the next episode of this clock, and please do subscribe, and I'll see you later. Thank you very much. Thank you.